In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this feature requires the latest version on Google Maps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you can't use Google Maps because of this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take. First, you want to check and then see if we have any update for this app. To do that, just go to your smartphone and look for Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone and tap on search, and under search for Maps. Now, if you run Maps, this will take you to the official Google Maps, and as you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Google Maps and thus prone to such errors. To update, just tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Google Maps and install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Google Maps. However, if this does not fix your problem, then most likely the problem is with your app and you need to troubleshoot this. To do this, go to settings on your phone. From settings, scroll down to apps, and under apps, go to manage apps. If you don't see manage apps, you should see all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Search for your app, and here we have our Maps app. If you tap on it, this will take you to the app info page. Here, go to Force Stop App and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to Clear Data and Clear Cache and OK. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your Google Maps, everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.